What's good, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Rafi Collects coming at you guys with another video. What's good? Appreciate you guys tapping in. As always, we got a couple unboxings that we are gonna be sharing with you guys today. If you guys don't mind, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new here. We just hit 77,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for the love and support. It's been a crazy week because we had Travis, and this morning the Wizard of Oz SBs dropped this morning. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys end up hitting on the Wizard of Oz this morning, and as well as last week on the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Velvet Browns. I know a ton of people has been asking me, yo, Rap, should I buy, should I wait? I think me personally, you guys should wait a couple weeks and see what market does. I feel like once everyone starts getting their pairs in hand, I feel like people are gonna start to move them. That will kind of drive the resale down a little bit. We've been doing a lot of giveaways in the last week for Christmas. You guys already know the holiday season is very important to me. So make sure you guys smash that like button. Thank you guys so much for entering all the giveaways and having some fun on the stream. Like I said, huge shout outs to you guys for supporting as always, man. But we got a package here. This right here, obviously some of you guys should know. This one right here, I believe this is from the homie Deadly Venom. Shout out to my boy Deadly Venom. He messaged me and asked me if he could send something over. He actually wanted to gift me something for Christmas, and shout out to my boy Deadly Venom. And look, the homie Deadly Venom gifted me a San Francisco 49ers hat, as you guys can see. Shout out my boy Deadly Venom, man. You guys already know my 49ers are eliminated from the playoffs, so shout out to my boy Deadly Venom for gifting this right here. This is really dope. I have a lot of San Francisco hats, but I actually don't have a red on gold. So thank you so much, Deadly Venom, for the Christmas gift. That is super dope of you. You didn't have to do that, but thank you so much, my guy, for supporting and showing mad love here on the channel every single day as one of my moderators on the channel. So thank you so much, my guy, for this gift. This is awesome. I'll be rocking this for sure. Definitely. Hey, my team is out of the playoffs, but you know your boy will still be rocking the 49ers you know, heavy. So thank you so much. But let's get into this unboxing right here, man. Huge shout outs to the good people out there in Seattle. I took an L on the Nike sneakers app, but I knew that some of the homies out there in Seattle had my back on this shoe. Obviously I took an L, went for the 9.5 for the Wizard of Oz's. I feel like some people kind of, you know, change their energy about this shoe just because there's no resale. After watching the movie with my kids, I just thought this would be a fun shoe to have once part 2 of the Wicked movie ends up coming out again. So as you guys can see, you guys were right about the tan box, and here we have it. Did you guys keep the same energy? So when we open the box, you have obviously you have the classic red glass, shiny, sparkling red slippers from the old classic film of Wizard of Oz. And when you open it, you got the black paper. So we have the black bag right here, which is, I think this was really cool that they actually added a touch to the bag right here. And also my favorite thing that they added as well was the extra insoles. As you guys can see, you got the Wicked Witch and you have the Flying Monkey right here in the old classic film. Man, super cool how they added the classic insoles. You can see my kids are super intrigued about this shoe. You guys see it? You see the Wicked Witch right there? Alphaba. There's Alphaba right there. And let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Some people don't really know the scene that they actually got inspired by with the shoe was whenever Dorothy was walking. Man, you actually have to open this bag. So hold on, let me get a knife real quick and open this bag. I'm not sure if I gotta open it in a different way, but we'll just go ahead and cut it out and then from here. So we have, boom, we have the Wizard of Oz SB Dunk Low, man. This is super cool. I like how they added this black bag as well, but we have the shoes, man. Man, this shoe is super loud. I'm not gonna hold you. And I said to you guys that I probably wouldn't wear this shoe out like that. I'm only gonna wear these probably to the movies. I think this is super cool to have in the collection. Such a loud shoe. It doesn't go much in the resale market, but I think this is definitely one of those SB collabs that I feel like will be a lot more, more of the nostalgia feel as the shoe gets a lot older over time, but I'm really glad that they actually came out with this just because the Wicked movie just recently came out. So I think this is definitely a cool touch, as well as the upper does have a upper material that you could actually cut off and it turns all red. So as you guys can see, man, let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about the shoe. I think this is really, really cool. I think it comes with extra laces. I didn't see the extra laces. I don't know if it does or not. Might have to go through the bag or the box again, but as you guys can see, man, we got the Wizard of Oz SB Dunk Lows. Let me know in the comment section below how you guys feel about this shoe. Did you guys end up taking a W or an L at your local shops, or you know, on the Nike sneakers app? So you guys let me know all that fun stuff down below in the comment section. We'll have an on feed and I'll share this on the stream as well. So, but appreciate you guys watching. As always, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new here, and comment down below if this was an L or a W pickup. Man, I appreciate you guys watching. As always, this is your boy Raffi Collects. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and go ahead and comment down below, man. I appreciate y'all. Stay blessed. Happy holidays to everybody that's watching this, man. You guys have a good one. Peace.